Everyone, it's SparklingChar and welcome back to my channel. I just want to pop in right quick and show you that I did join in on Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes. I did, however, post it on Instagram yesterday, but I did want to come in and do a video because I did make more uh, of the ornaments that I had posted. So yeah, so I just thought this was really nice. Jill is so inspiring. I love her channel. I love the way she, shares her projects, and she tell you what you can buy things at, and she's just an awesome crafter. Thank you so much, Jill, for all you've done for the crafting community. And yeah, so she inspired me um, to make these little ornament books that I love making because they're my favorite. And so I went on and used the gingerbread people that I had in my stash to put together. So let me show you guys what I made. This one here, really cute. And these little candy canes. Where did I get these miniature candy canes from? I can't remember, but they're so cute. And I put the miniature word sugar plum there, and then on the side of the books, the ornament books, is like the title of whatever the book may be, because this one is called May All Your Days Be Merry and Bright. And then on the back I put a stamp. I have these in my stash. I just resized them to fit the back of the book, so those look really cute. And again, they are the Christmas tree ornament. They hang on your tree just like that. So whether they go front or back, you have something that's really pretty on your tree. This is the next one that says Season's Greetings. They're like in, it's saying tea for two. They got cookies and candy canes, and it's really cute. And then this one say cookies for Santa. I didn't put anything on the back of here yet because I can't decide which one I could have put back there. This one looks pretty nice, but I'll figure it out eventually. And let me just say, I hope everyone is staying safe and, be careful out there because there's so much going on. This is the next one, say Joy to the World. It's got a lot of little uh, things in the tree, so I put the word stocking stuffer, and then here on the side it say which list is the recipient on. You check whether naughty or nice. Here's the next one, say family time. I put some green buttons on there, that little candy cane. It's like they're reading a book. And this one say the night before Christmas. And then I just, you know, inked up the edges. This one say mistletoe. Sorry, I'm getting some sticker on me. And the most wonderful time of the year. On the back of here is the Santa Claus stamp. Oh, guys, I love making these. These are just my favorite. One of my most favorite. I kid you not. This one says Santa's Workshop, 12 Days of Christmas, and then on the back we have the candy cane. Okay, how cute is this one? Say special delivery, and it say believe and letters to Santa, and then on the sides it says Santa Claus. This one here has hot cocoa, hot cider, hot chocolate. It say gingerbread bakery. I used some holly, another green button, and it say deliver with love. And then on the back I put that um, stamp with the bell. Here's another one. Oh, it says North Pole. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And on the back it has some pretty bunny rabbits with a lot of holly and stuff. And then this is the last one, guys. It says Santa's Workshop, Toy Shop, and then it say for elves only. And then I decided I wanted to use words. I had some digital words towards the night before Christmas. So what I did, I cut the papers I cut it down and I folded it in half, and I just wanted it to show like on the front side of the ornament. So when it's hanging up, it really looked like it's an actual story in there. It's actually 'Twas the Night Before Christmas in there. That's what's in here. 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. But I just cut it down and cut it to the side. And it's just so adorable, guys. So cute. So thank you for stopping by and taking the time to look at my gingerbread people. They so cute. Too cute, right? Let me bring it down some. Okay, I hope you guys like them, and I will see you in the next video. I'll try to start making videos. It's just been so busy for me, but again, thank you all for stopping by. Don't forget to wear your mask, be safe, and blessings, and remember to